So my kid Pizza Crust blew up on TikTok. It took 7 days to get to this point. Pizza Crust, come here. Are you excited for a hurricane? We've been bringing you guys along the Pizza Crust journey to his first color video. You like it? Yeah! To silly videos like this, don't worry, his tongue couldn't reach the whipped cream. Give me 5. Yeah, man. Crust and I are gonna do it together and make the stickers just for you guys. Anyways, it's been such a crazy journey and we're so excited to bring you guys along. Anywho, here's the gender reveal video. Is it because you like the kittens? Oh, look at that. He's jumping. He's doing such a good job at the vet.
So it's definitely a girl. It's a little girl.
Okay, let's look inside. Let's see. Yay! Pizza Crust is a girl! It's a girl! Woo! Thank you all so much for helping out with her vet bills. We really appreciate it. We'll be pumping out a ton of content of her. So stay tuned and follow the socials. We love you, Crusty Crew.